Hey guys! Thanks for watching Samantha's Tiny Houseboat Adventure videos. In this video, I'm going to be building a brand new door for my 1971 home-built houseboat. But first, I want to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my videos. I reached my goal ahead of time, and the only reason I did that is because of you. Thank you so much. I really think that the houseboat community and the boating community on YouTube is fantastic, and I've had such a good time answering all your comments and talking to you guys and finding out where all of my viewers are. I really love it. So thank you so much for subscribing, liking, watching my videos. You guys are great. But this calls for a whole new goal, and that is 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So if you haven't done it yet, please click on the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified every time I come out with a new video, hit the notification bell. Thank you! So I was in the middle of doing a lot of work on the boat yesterday, and this door that I had been really putting a lot of band-aids on and trying to make it go a little bit longer. You can see I've tried to do some work on it here. Finally just gave way yesterday. This is the part that totally came off yesterday. Junk now, and it just... So anyway, the door won't work anymore. I'll open it up here, and you can see once I open it, the door falls down on the hinge and it won't close again. Won't close back. That's as far as it'll go. If I want to close it, I have to lift up on it and shimmy it all on around, and it just does not work anymore. So, time for a new door. Don't forget to check out part 2 of this video to see me finish this project. There's a link in the description box below, or you can find it on my channel, Samantha's Tiny Houseboat Adventures. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.